Hello everyone. In the previous class, we discussed about the linked list for the algorithm. That is, there are three types as I told you: inserting at the beginning, inserting at the end, and inserting at the given position. Already we discussed about inserting at the beginning. Now, inserting at the end. Okay, inserting. What you have to insert? The node. Inserting a node at the end of the linked list, end of the linked list. Okay, so as we have inserting the end of the linked list, we have to traverse all the list nodes, because where exactly it will end you should know. Okay, to insert at the end, at the end, what you have to do? Okay, what you have to do? We have to traverse the linked list. We have to traverse the linked list. Why? Because we should know where the node is ending. Okay, to know the address of the last node. Okay, to know the address of the last node. That's why you have to traverse. Then only we can insert. Like, see, this is how you have to show. This is the start, where exactly this is the start. Then we are inserting a node which is already inserted nodes. This is another node. This is another node. Okay, now this is already inserted node. Now what you are doing, actually this is null now. Okay, now what you are doing, we are inserting the node. This will traverse from this node to this node and this node. It will conclude that this is the last node. Then here, from here, you have to insert the new node, that is the last node. Now what will happen? The link will be connected to another node. Okay, this is what we are creating, the new node, that is the last node. This is no new node we are creating. Okay, that becomes the last node. Okay, now the algorithm, very simple. It is an algorithm for insertion at the end. Insertion at the end. First it will be the start. Okay. Second step, it will be a P as a pointer to the start node, and check. What you have to check? While P not is equal to null, it should not have, P pointer should not have null immediately. P not is equal to null. Okay, so here you have to check for the identify the last node in the list. This is what? Identify the last node. The last node in the list. Okay. Next, P of your pointer to the next P, means it will go to the next point. Okay, then while end. Then third step, now what you have to do? You are creating now new node. Where it is, where exactly the identify the node ends. Then you have to create a new node, n of new node. Okay, as creating a new node. Creating a new node. Okay, then in that new node, what you have to do? There are two, as I told you, data and link. You have to insert the data. Okay, that in the data, what you have to insert? The item. You are inserting the item. Then last one, what it becomes? Link becomes null. So link becomes, because it is the end of the list. End of the list. That's why the node will be last will be the null. Link will be the null. Okay. Then this is the fifth step. Next, what will happen? It will connect it to the sixth step is connected to the link of P pointer connected to the node. This is a full node we have created N. Okay. So N. Then last one it will be return. Okay. So first start, then with the P the pointer with the start, then while P not is equal to N to identify the last node in the list, then P next of P. It will go to the next node. Okay. Then create the new node. Then in that new node insert the data. Then link will be the null. Then the node will be connected to this pointer. Okay. Then return. This is how we are creating the insertion. Insertion the node at the end. Okay. So insertion node at the beginning where we inserted here. Now this is a new node which is inserted the last. Earlier it ends here. Now we added this node at the end of the list. Okay. Now the second one, that is, this is the second one. Inserting the beginning is the first, inserting the end at the second. Okay. Now we'll insert the node at the given position. You can insert the any position in the list. Okay. For that, so you should know how many nodes are created and where exactly you want to insert the node in the given position. Okay. So inserting a node in the position, given position. Okay. So it is like this. Actually, it is from the start. So this is a node which is already created. This is a node which is already created. So now I want to insert the new node here. So I will insert the new node. This is a given position. Okay. So already it is created here. Nodes are available here. So I want to insert this node in this position. This is an extra node. This is a new node what you created in the particular position. Okay. So last you created already. First you created. This is a given position. You have to create the node. This is a new node you have to create. Okay. So for that algorithm for inserting at the position, given position. Okay. So first step we will be the start. So because here we are inserting at the given position, it should be little bit bigger than inserting at the end and inserting at the beginning, because both are easy. But here little bit difficult. As start, initialize, you have to initialize the count to 0, and also we are taking as a pointer P1 as a start. Both will be initialized. Okay. Then third step. What is the third step? Again check while pointer P1 is already, we initialize P1 to the start. P1 not equal to null. Okay. Then count will be, what will happen? Count will be increment. Count is equal to count plus 1. It will be increment to the next. Then P1 will be linked to the your next P1, linking of this. Okay. Next while will be end. Then fourth step. Okay. So here first, if I got the position, if position is equal to 1, if I am inserting here position is equal to 1, then you have to call the function automatically just what you written earlier, that is insertion beginning, that function you have to call, means that algorithm you have to call. Okay, then else what will happen, B, if again the position will count plus 1, if it is count plus 1, then call the function, you have to call the function insertion at the end, insertion at the end. Okay, next we write it here. So this is first insertion beginning we call, next end we call. Next now the C, that is particular position. If position is, so now in the position less than is equal to count, it should be whatever you are counting, that should be less than or is equal to count. Then again it will be start with a pointer. Okay, then again it will be the check for the all the looping statement, that is I is equal to 1, then I which is given for the position. Okay, what position you are given, that is I less than or is equal less than position, then I plus plus. Okay, then again P1, what will happen, P1 will be the pointing to the next node, next pointer. Okay, then that is for end. Okay, then now we have to create what, create the new node, that is a new node we created and inserted, that is I will take it as a P2 of new node. Okay, P2 of new node. In that P2 what you have to do, you have to have the data of P2 will be another pointer, new pointer, that is we inserting the item as we created. This is we creating here and we are connecting to the next. This is the given position, this is the P2, we call it as P2 for the pointer. Then the data of P2 will be, item will be inserted here. Okay, then the link, whatever the link, for this link again connected to the next node. Okay, link of P2, okay, that is be connected to the link of, okay, as we are connected to the link. Okay, P1. Okay, next link of P2 will be, sorry, P1 will be fit. Else what will happen, if it is not there, then else statement will come, that is your any position it is not there, then it will be invalid position. So what will comes, that is initialize whatever the, it will be print invalid position. Then lastly the fifth step is here, that will be return. Okay, so first you have to initialize, then go for the null pointer with the incrementing, then step by step. Then first if it is the position is 1, then you have to call the beginning algorithm. If the position will be counting, then it will call to the end. Then you have to check for the position less than or is equal to count. Then go to the start, then for loop will be, because all where exactly the node is present, then the P1, then you are creating the new node. This is what the node you created, that is a P2, and we are inserting the node at the particular position where you want to insert. Then if there is no position, that is an invalid position. If you want to insert in the wrong position, that it gives the print is invalid position, then last is return. Okay, so these two are the algorithms today we discussed, that is inserting at the end of the linked list, that is the node, and inserting at the given position of the linked list. Okay, thank you.